Oh my gosh, it is so bright. Hi guys, what's up? I just got ready. Here is a look. First day getting ready in the new place, so I'm pretty excited about it. I just made me and Chase's bed. This is weird. I can't talk like that yet. I'm not there yet. That's Chase's bed. That's not our bed. But I wanted to show you guys the place because I told you I was going to yesterday. First of all, look how bright it is in that room. I film in there a lot. This whole apartment is like super bright, which I freaking love. But okay, I'm gonna show you everything. Front door. Amazing. I don't know why it's opened. So this is right when you walk in. We got some stuff there that needs to be cleaned, so ignore that. This way is to the boys' bedrooms and bathroom. We have an extra closet right here, as well as the coat closet right here. And then we have another closet right there that is full of crap. And then there's this hallway that you walk down. The boys have decorated with a bunch of Star Wars and Marvel themed things. We'll say not my aesthetic, but I'm not about to come up here and change everything. So I love it. It's a vibe. We're keeping it. Here's the living room. We've got 2 couches, a chair that Chase actually found next to a dumpster. Follow him on Instagram because he posted all about it. But there's a TV, and then this way is the dining room, and then laundry. The laundry place is right here. And then this is the kitchen. I just got this mug for my birthday. It's super cute. I'm gonna show it off because I can. Here's the kitchen. I mean, it's not like super up to date, but at the same time, like, it's enough to get by. But we can cook, we can make drinks, we can do our thing. Also, Chase is so freaking proud of this, and it's ridiculous. But I'm proud of him for being creative. I'll just say that. He bought this $100 Deadpool head that talks. Okay, and then he has this little poster above it, and it's just this little cutout. I think somebody like put a vase in there or something, because you can turn a light on that kind of like shines down for decoration. And Ryan Reynolds actually has made an alcohol, so it's called Aviation, which is this. They're planning on getting like 3 of these and finishing them, and then kind of like spilling them on here just to show that he's been drinking or whatever. And then they're gonna try and post about it and tag Ryan Reynolds in it and see if he sees it. So that'd be pretty cool if he did. But yeah, he's super excited about that little space, so it's pretty cute. This is the sunroom. We don't really have a specific use for it as of right now. The lighting is so bomb though. It's so bomb. It's gonna be my filming room. That's the use for it. They have like instruments in here, so they're keyboards and guitars. They also have a couch. I film a lot on that. I'll leave a few videos linked down below if you want to check those out, but I film pretty often right there, so I'll probably just keep filming there. But yeah, so that is this room. Now I'll show you the bedroom. So this is the living room, obviously, and then his bedroom is just like right here. So you walk in, and the first thing you see is his desk, and then his bed that I have my suitcase on. And then this is gonna be my little corner, so I'm gonna put my mirror right here, and then we're gonna get a little side table that I can put right here. And then also he has this, obviously this is really messy right now, but he has this little cubed thing that we can put little cubes in, so I'll be taking a couple cubes to put my stuff in. Right now I have a bunch of stuff on here because I don't know where else to put it. TV, you can see my pants, what's up. There's the TV. We have this cute little picture. It says Burb and Burb. That is the picture that I got him for Christmas. And then you walk in here, and we have this little whiteboard that just shows like what we need to buy and things like that. And then here's his closet. We just moved some of his stuff from the other closet that is now mine to this closet, so it is a little messy right now, but we're about to like hardcore organize, so that'll be fun. And then this is my closet as of right now. That's my dirty clothes pile, so I don't mind that. And that's some Crown Royal that I'm just gonna take away so it doesn't distract. But yeah, so as of right now, I just have my pants right here, my shorts right here, which I don't have all my clothes yet, but here are my pajamas. Shoes, those are his shoes, he needs to get out of here. And then I have a couple purses on a hanger, some jewelry, and then one dress, a couple coats, and some of my shirts. So that's what we have going on in the closet right now. I still have a lot more stuff at my house, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to organize this and make sure everything fits. I do have this up here that I can reach, so maybe I can put some stuff up there. So here's the bathroom. We have double sinks, which is really, really nice. I just cleaned my side, so even though it looks messy, it's not, I promise, okay? I promise. But we just got some new towels because I don't like these. No offense to Chase, but they are a little gross because you can't bleach them, and then it's just like, I don't like the texture, and it just doesn't feel like a good quality towel. So we got like white towels that are really nice and you can bleach and get all that nastiness off. Sadly, these drawers don't open, but these do, so I'm planning on organizing those. And then as of right now, under here, I kind of have it organized. I got those little gold bins from Dollar Tree, so I just put those in there for now. And then here's the tub. He has like jets in his tub, which is absolutely ridiculous, but I'm excited about it. And then we have this little container for bath bombs. I got this at Dollar Tree too, it's really cute. And then the shower is in there. And then we have this extra closet for storage, so I'm about to get up in here and really organize everything and make room for my stuff because that's the only place I'll probably be able to put it. And yeah, so that's the plans. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Update time! So we just went to Target and we got some stuff. I'm gonna open this.
But I don't think it's gonna help much.
It'll help. I promise. So we got a few things. Everything at Target is so freaking expensive, and your girl doesn't have a job yet, so we couldn't buy everything, but we got some cheap stuff. One thing is this. It's like a little drawer, and just like, you know, slides in and out. I was planning on putting that in the closet in the bathroom, which I'll show you in a second. And then I got this little laundry thing. It's really cute. It's got a little yellow pattern on it. It's just like a basket, a tote thing. I don't know, it's not that big, but I don't have much room, so.
Thirsty? Drink a Coke.
Pepsi, bitch.
Drink a Coke.
Pepsi.
Or a Coke.
Also, we got this bad boy. So that was so cringy.
It's cringeworthy, wouldn't you say?
We love cringe. And does this not open? Hello?
It's taped, I think.
Is it taped? Oh, that's a great idea. But I'm gonna use this as my bedside table because it was cheap. You don't need something crazy, and it has extra storage. So we're gonna put that over here in this corner next to the bed. Oh, it's got rollies on it too, but I don't think we're gonna put the rollies on it. I don't need to roll away. Yay! Thanks, fine. So that works like honestly perfect. And then I can just kind of tuck this. It's not moving. My new bedside table, everyone. Okay, so next we can do the laundry basket. I promise this isn't just like a big tote. It does say scrunchable laundry tote. So it is a big tote. But it says for laundry, so that's what we're using it for.
It's a laundry tote.
Oh god. Cute! Oh, I like this a lot. Ow!
Sorry. I didn't think about it, but we couldn't use that.
Laundry basket.
Yeah.
That you already have.
Yeah. It's pretty same size.
That would have been nice to just use instead of buying this for like $15.
Yeah. But now you have a beach bag.
I do that, yeah, I could use this as a beach bag for sure. But this is still cute, I like it a lot. No, don't put that in there. I don't want that in there.
It's too late.
Yeah, I don't like that. It's ugly. Ooh, this lighting's ugly. There we go, I fixed it. Yeah, I don't like that. I think this is gonna look cuter. I would have just used that though, to be honest. We have to make it a little aesthetic for my space. The little tiny bits of space I have, I wanna try to utilize. All right, so now let's do this. Ignore the mess. Ouch. Oh, See, does it close? It does in fact close. Maybe we can put this in the center so we can get to stuff, and then put like things on the side. Still not completely sure what I'm gonna put in here. That's why I only got one, but I'm sure I'll find stuff. Anyway, so that's what it looks like so far. Okay, you guys, so it is officially Thursday. I actually have an audition, so I am gonna have to work on that today. Right now it's 2:48. So I have an hour to work on my audition, and then I have to finish unpacking what I have here because I have to go back home today. I got a mole removed not too long ago, and I had to go in for a checkup. I'll show you guys if you're interested. That's what it looks like. It's really not bad at all. It's just, I mean, it's red because it's still healing, but I mean, to me it looks okay. We'll see what the dermatologist thinks. I did end up putting a few things in this closet, so I wanted to show you guys. Okay, so I got some nail polish, so I just put that there for now. That's gonna go somewhere, but for now. So this is the thing that I got from Target. You guys saw that earlier, but I did put some stuff in it. So the first drawer has my skincare, like my daily skincare that I usually use. Second one has my retainer. I have some extra contact cases, my little razor, toner. I don't use that much, so that's why it's down here and not up here. Things for my exfoliator that I'm gonna get soon, and then my floss. And then down here, I have some extra soap, my hair claw, my lip scrub, and then a syringe, which is so strange, but I'll explain it. So I have really bad like tonsil stones. My dentist actually recommended something for me to do, and it was to take this, which I'll put right here so you guys can see. It's peroxyl, and she gave me that syringe to use, and I basically like wash out my tonsil stones. It's really gross and very uncomfortable, but it gets the job done and it helps my breath. So that's what that's in there for, and that's what this is for. So I kind of just put that back here because I don't really have a place for that yet. Same with my extra solution for my contact. And then I just have my little sinus rinse things. I want to get a mason jar to put all of those little things in. As you see, there's like a bunch of them, and I think it'd be really cute to have them in like a little mason jar. So I'll do that eventually. For now, it's just gonna go there. And then I have my sugar scrub. So that's what's in there for now. So Chase and I went back to Dollar Tree the other day. I'll show you guys what we got. We're going this way because this camera is messing up. Okay, so here's the Dollar Tree bag. Like I said, we went back to Dollar Tree. We got the nail polish remover that you just saw, as well as some cotton balls. So I am going to find a mason jar to put these in to make it cute and aesthetic. And then I got some white nail polish. And then we actually got another one of these buckets so I can put my hair curlers in it. And then I actually found, this is a different dollar store. So they actually had these things, which are kind of pretty similar to the ones I already have, except they're like deeper and they don't go out as far, so they're like smaller and deeper. So I thought that I could put some extra stuff in here, maybe some hair products, or like I just showed you, the extra stuff that are kind of just sitting on the sides in the closet I could put in here. So that's pretty much all that I got, but I'm about to put these in there and then also unpack the rest of my things. So let's do it. Okay, so here's what these look like in here. I just put the cotton balls and the scrub on that side, as well as my little packets, and then just the extra stuff over here. I think that looks pretty cute. It doesn't look super messy or anything, and it kind of keeps everything together. That way I can just pull out one of them and everything is where it needs to be. right now I don't have enough hangers for everything, so I think we're gonna steal some of Jason's. Told me already he didn't mind, so we are taking that offer as of right now. Pretty much moved in as of right now. Oh, also, laundry basket is being used. It's super cute. I love it. I think I've shown you guys enough. I've pretty much done the whole entire process of me moving in. There's definitely more stuff that I need to put in here, but this is just kind of like the basics of what I can live off of, and I don't want to extend this like super far. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you next time.